Picture a tiny living landscape you carry with you, a private map that reacts to breathe, touch, hormones, and time. Meet two neighbors on that map. The Labia Minora, thin inner lip, and the world inside the vagina. Small names, big stories. The Labia Minora are like soft petals. They sit inside the outer lips and frame the entrance. They come in every size, color, and shape. Long, short, folded, smooth, even uneven, all normal. They're packed with blood vessels and nerve endings, so they can swell, change color, and feel very sensitive. They protect the opening, help guide lubrication, and play a quiet role in pleasure. Tip: the variety you see on campus, online or in the mirror, is natural. There is no single look. Now step through the curtain into the inside of the vagina. Not a static tube, but a clever living space. The inner walls have ridges called rugae. Those folds make the vagina stretch, bounce back, and create subtle sensations. The lining is a mucous membrane. It keeps things slippery and comfortable. That lining makes fluids that change with your cycle. Sometimes thin, sometimes thicker, always doing work to keep a balance. Balance matters. The vagina is acidic by design. Friendly bacteria, mostly lactobacilli, keep bad microbes in check and help prevent infection. That acidity and the microbiome are delicate. Harsh soaps, douching, or scented wipes can upset them. Simple water and gentle care usually do the job. There are muscles here too. The pelvic floor wraps around the space like a hammock. Those muscles contract, relax, and give structure. They respond to exercise, injury, childbirth, and age. Learning to feel and control them, yes. Those quick squeezes, called kegels, can change how the space feels for you. It's a practical skill, not a party trick. Curious? Good. Curiosity is the healthiest response. Try an anatomy mirror and a bright light. Observe the labia minora, note texture, color, how they move when you breathe. So, inside, you can learn about normal discharge patterns through the cycle. Clean gently, wash hands before touching. Trim nails. If you explore, do it safely and without pressure. If something stings, smells strongly, or hurts, see Stevie Health. Most issues are common and treatable. A few fast facts to store in your brain. The labia minora develop from the same embryonic tissue as other parts of the body, so they change with hormones and life events. The vagina is self-cleaning because length and feel vary from person to person. The cervix sits at the end, a small dot of tissue that also changes through the cycle. This is anatomy with personality. It's science and story wrapped together. Keep looking, keep asking, and keep choosing facts over fear. Your body is diverse, dynamic, and deserving of calm curiosity. Go learn it in your own time, with respect and a healthy dose of wonder.